guys, Zarah. Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe to my video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video where you unbox toys or new stuff to do. So yeah. And if you want to be in this video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and go to my app to see more videos and to subscribe like what I said. So let's do this right now and let's go. So here is a new little ball thing we play. But today we're gonna be opening it at play. So let's see what's inside of it. So this is my first time opening a new toy. Okay, where is this thing at? Because you cannot open it without the thing. Go. Oh my gosh. Got it on. Look at that. So cool, right? Got it open. Open it up. Wow. Look at what's inside. Oh, I did not expect this. Oh! Oh! Let's see here. Little chopsticks. Okay, put that right there. Okay, let's move all of these trash. And keep the ones here that we need for the recipe. Okay. We have a lot of stuff here for the recipe. So we don't need that because I'm older. And let's see. Let's use this. Spin it. See what's inside. I really don't know what this is. But we go see what it is for. Okay. Next one. Okay. Aww. Look at here. Some recipe. Oh, look at that. So cute. Okay, it's kind of like a recipe. Okay, so.
Do you need my help?
No. Pour the milk. I don't know what that is, but pour the milk. Okay, I know. Now. Okay, now let's see this. This is also for the recipe. Aww. Ow. It's a little tray. And a teapot that you can make. Though. Made of tape. But we will use that in a minute. Okay. Something else? Nope. Not even a... But it feels like it. Now let's see. Oh. Oh. But yeah, that's all. Okay, let's use this other one. Kind of looks like a ball here, but it's not. Cat. I think it's a bowl. Well, it got a hole in it, but okay. Next time. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a little teapot. It's so big though. I didn't expect that. Next one. Oh. Know what that keyboard for, but I'm gonna see what it does. Okay. Oh, something else is in here. A top that goes to something. So what is this for? A box for food. Got to be open somewhere.
Don't open it yet, Zara.
Whatever. And here is another one. Stickers. For the face. All done. Now let's test it out. Oh, it's so squishy. Ah. Can't feel it. So squishy. Okay. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. Is it right here? Yeah. Okay. Now, number 1. Is it upside down or not? Oh, yeah. Okay. Turn it over. Pour thing inside. Okay. But we need something that goes to it. It's this. And then, yes. Yes, okay. Now, okay. Then the next one is okay. Okay, got it. Do it like this. And then the next one, hold it up. Take the thing inside. Got it. That's hard work. Okay.
Wait. Wait till it goes down. Okay.
You want to be in the video? Okay. It's getting yellow at the bottom a little bit.
Okay, pour more.
Okay.
Okay, keep pouring. Don't put it so close. Okay, wait. Okay, go ahead, keep going. Keep going. Wait. Wait.
Okay. Once you're done, you're gonna still flip it over for a little bit of warmness. It already been warmness. Now, take it out, squish it out, and then put stickers on it, and then put the mustard on the handle, whatever that is. Handles. Put them apart. Next, take the stickers out with the tweezers that's over here. and then put the stickers on the head. And then put the costume on.
Put more on it.
Huh.
Put more. Okay. Wait. Okay, pick it up. No. Yeah.
Pick it up?
No. I was saying the other part. This is hard work. Okay, pop. Alright. Now do it again. Do it again. Okay. Good one. Okay, and pop the bubble. Now pour more. Pour more. Okay. Is there another bubble coming?
Yeah. It's still okay because it's still tiny.
Oh.
Okay. Gonna be a hard time to.
Okay, is another one coming?
It's okay. Gonna need more?
A little bit more. Okay, so
I know. Mama's ruining it.
no, I'm not.
She's
I'm trying to hurry up. Because it's going super slow.
Does she have you?